Namaste, I'm Sangeetika and welcome to my channel Come Let's Learn. In this video, I'm going to share with you little bit information about Madhubani painting while drawing it. So, let's start the video. For this, you need white paper, pencil scale eraser, colors, fine pens. Women in the Mithila region of Bihar in North India have painted colorful images on the walls of their homes since at least the 14th century. This is called Madhubani art. Although the accurate time of the origination is unidentified, it is a famous and traditional art form of Bihar. Here, firstly draw the margin line on the sheet and make a border. In Madhubani paintings, borders are done with single lines or with double lines. Designs used for border are mostly in linear pattern, that is, unbroken continuity from one side to other. Mostly for border designs, geometrical motifs like triangle, square, circles, and natural motifs like leaves, fruits, etc., as well as fish are used. Here, in the middle, I am drawing a peacock. Peacocks are associated with love and symbol of beauty. A bird known for its beauty, it can easily attract the people around it by spreading its vibrant feathers in the air while dancing. It is believed that Raja Janak, who ruled Mithila, commissioned artists make painting on the occasion of his daughter Sita's marriage to Prince Ram. Painting of different types of birds is found in Madhubani. However, the birds appear to have been painted in very stylized manner without any realistic touch. Curved lines express different moods and ideas. They seem gracious and flexible. Scales of fish motifs and various decorative design are created with these types of lines. Line is very important elements for making a picture. It gives the shape of an object. Line have positive emotional significance depending upon their direction and quality. Lines play an important role to create an aesthetical feeling in the painting. The bright colored feathers of a peacock look so pleasing to the human eye. In the Indian folk art, a peacock holds a specific significance and meaning. A peacock in Madhubani painting represents divine love, knowledge, and prosperity. It also considered as a sign of protection and brings joy in one's life. Till date, the artists of Madhubani paintings use colors directly from the nature. Lamp soot served as a source of black, white from powdered rice, green was made from the leaves of apple tree, and yellow is drawn from the part of jasmine flower. Bark of people is to be boiled to make a part of saffron color. Red is made from kusum flower and red sandalwood. To make the painting last long, as well as take brightness, they mix gum with color. The use of lines is an important factor to consider. Lines can define the edge of shape or form, but they can also create pattern or an illusion of mass, volume, or movement. One of the major aspects of Madhubani paintings is that artists do not left any empty space in a painting. After drawing the main theme, they make several linear designs of natural and geometrical as well as spacious motifs in the background. The painting is ready. Please hit the like button if you like my video, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram and Pinterest for more art and craft images, drawings. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.